This is one in a series of videos about the OPTiMiSe community service booking software. In this video, we will complete our dial-a-bus booking. Bookings need completing once they have taken place. Entering completion information will allow OPTiMiSe to fill in reports and financial details for your helpers and clients. You can ignore the completion stage if you wish, but this will make these useful features unavailable to you. When a booking has passed, it will be lit up with a green background, just like a booking without a driver assigned is lit up with a red background. This green colour, along with the pencil icon on the booking, tells us that the booking needs completing. If we enter the booking, we can see a similar green banner across the top of the page. Pressing complete, we can input all remaining data about the trip. If a journey sheet was printed off and later filled in by the driver, you can just enter these details into the boxes provided, as the boxes in the completion page match the ones in the form. Start time is the time when the driver began their journey, whether from their own home, your office, or straight from another journey. This may have been entered earlier for scheduling purposes, but can be edited now with the accurate figure. Arrival time will have been filled in when the booking was created. And end time is when the driver finishes their journey, whether arriving back at their start point or going on to another task. Like dial-a-ride bookings, dial-a-bus bookings are carried out in vehicles belonging to your organisation, so information on the vehicle must be filled in during the completion stage. The vehicle used for the booking will have been noted when the booking was made, but if it was changed for some reason, you have the opportunity to change it here as well. This will ensure accurate reports and figures on how much each of your vehicles have been used. The odometer start and end areas are important as they allow the recording of mileage for individual vehicles. Like recording the vehicle used, this information is also necessary for accurate statistics on your vehicle use. For information on where the odometer readings are stored, see the vehicles videos in the data section, and see the quarterly bus journeys report video for where the readings are put to use. To keep track of spending within your organisation, you're also able to add a fuel receipt to this vehicle. Like with the odometer readings, this information will be recorded on its own tab in the relevant vehicle record. The total distance travelled in the booking is worked out from the odometer readings you entered. The normal mileage is then calculated by taking away any dead mileage you enter from the total distance worked out from the odometer readings. The dead mileage is the number of miles travelled without any passengers in the vehicle. The remaining areas concern financial information and cover any money the driver is claiming or is owed for their service, such as a mileage charge, each client's fare and how much each client paid to the driver, and how much money the driver then paid to the office. The expenses area at the bottom of the page is optional, but covers things such as fuel claims or parking charges, unlike the driver claim which covers any standard rate or mileage charge that your drivers may be given for their service. An admin is able to create expenses categories with their special settings. For more information on these settings, take a look at our admin video on data tables. After entering that information, your booking will now be complete. The financial information you enter here is important as it will all be recorded on the individual's personal records. So, for example, as the fare for the first client in this list was £10, and the client only paid £5, the finance tab on their record will show that they owe £5. Keeping these figures accurate will allow you to use OPTiMiSe's financial and invoicing features. These are covered in more depth in other videos, as well as in the financial statement and invoices reports. Filling in completion information is really important in OPTiMiSe, as it allows the system to keep track of details such as how many miles a vehicle has travelled for your organisation, or how much money a driver is claiming in expenses, and what for. By completing your bookings, you will be able to make the most of OPTiMiSe's features.